Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you chapter 1. Chapter 1 is matter in our surrounding. In this chapter we will discuss matter and its classification. So topic is matter. What is matter? Anything which has mass and occupy space is called matter. Okay, look here. Matter. What is matter? Anything which has mass, anything which has mass and occupy space is called matter. Okay students, what is matter? Anything which has mass and occupy space is called matter. For example, book, table, chair, iron rod, this marker, everything occupy space and has mass. Anything which has mass and occupy space is called matter. Example of matter is book. Example is book, table, chair, water, milk, air. These are matter. After this, next topic is classification of matter. Matter can be classified into five part. Matter can be classified as number 1 solid, number 2 liquid, number 3 gas, number 4 plasma, number 5 Bose-Einstein condensate. We will discuss each type of matter one by one. Okay, matter can be classified into five types. First is solid, second liquid, third gas, fourth plasma, fifth Bose-Einstein condensate. Look here, this is the chart of matter. Chart of matter is first is solid state, second liquid, third gas, fourth plasma, and fifth is Bose Einstein condensate. Now first we will discuss solid state. Matter can be classified as number 1 solid state, number 2 liquid state, number 3 gaseous state, fourth plasma, fifth Bose-Einstein condensate. First is solid state. What is solid state? Solid state have definite shape and definite volume. Example, wood, ice, iron. So first we will discuss about solid state. So first point is solid state. Solid state. Solid state, the states of matter which have the state of matter which have definite shape and definite volume. It's called solid state. The states of matter which have definite shape and definite volume is called solid state. Example of solid state is ice, wood, iron. Okay students, listen to me again. Solid state. The states of matter which have definite shape and definite volume is called solid state. Example, ice, wood, iron. After this, I am telling you properties of solid state. Solid have first property you know very well. Solid have definite shape, definite volume. Second property, solid do not flow. Third property, solids are rigid and incompressible. Fourth property, solid have strong intermolecular force of attraction. Next property, solid have least intermolecular space. And after this next property, solid have melting and boiling point above room temperature. So please look here. Properties of solid state. We will discuss properties of solid state. Properties of solid state. Property number 1, solid have definite shape and definite volume. Property number 2, solids do not flow. Solids do not flow. Property number 3, solids are rigid. Solids are rigid and incompressible. After this, solids have melting and boiling point above room temperature. Solids have melting point and boiling point. The temperature at which liquid melt, solid melt is called melting point. The temperature is which liquid start boiling is called boiling point. Solids have melting and boiling point above room temperature. Property number 5, they have strong intermolecular force of attraction. Intermolecular force of attraction. Property number 6, they have least intermolecular space. Property number 7, they have least kinetic energy, because what is kinetic energy? Energy of a body or particle due to motion is called kinetic energy. In solid state, particle do not move, so they have least kinetic energy. Okay, in solid state particle do not move, so solid have least kinetic energy. Okay student, I hope that you can understand this video. Like this video, share it to your friends, all friends. Subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any problem, any doubt, then write in comment box. Okay students.